I'm Anastasia, a fashion designer with over 20 years of experience and a sewing educator. And I'm really excited you're here to share another sewing adventure with me today. Welcome to Sew Anastasia's 12 Days of Christmas. December 1st to the 12th, I will be putting out a new tutorial every single day. All of these tutorials are going to be about creating gifts that you can give this holiday. These are going to be super easy DIY gifts that you can make right at home. There's nothing better than getting and receiving DIY holiday gifts. Speaking of gifts, I am giving away a sewing machine this holiday. I'm giving away this brand new, beautiful Husqvarna Viking Jade 20 sewing machine. All you have to do is enter the giveaway, and the link is down below in the description with all of the details. This contest starts December 5th and goes through December 15th, and I will be picking a winner on December 20th. So tell all your friends and family and make sure you get your entries in. I cannot wait to read your post on what inspires you to sew. It is super easy to enter, and how amazing would it be to win a new sewing machine for Christmas, or you could even give it as a gift. And don't forget, all of the details are down below in the description for how to enter. And if you're not already a subscriber to Sew Anastasia, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know when all the new videos come out. And if you are already a subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing. And don't forget, I now teach sewing classes in my design studio in Chicago, Illinois, and I teach virtual lessons as well. So make sure you check those out at sewanastasia.com. And today on the 12 Days of Christmas, we are going to create a leather card holder. This is perfect for anyone on your gift list, but maybe it's perfect for that guy you know that has a super disorganized wallet and needs to trim it back a little and just carry a few important cards in a leather card holder. Supplies for this project are so simple. You're going to need some top stitching thread because it's a little thicker. We're going to be sewing with leather. You're going to need a few clips because you don't want to pin your leather. Binder clips will also work if you don't have these special little quilting sewing clips. You're also going to need a pattern. I do have a pattern available for download on my website, sewanastasia.com, under digital downloads. And you're also going to need a scrap of leather, or you could use a piece of felt, or any thicker, durable fabric will work as well. A great way to find leather is by thrifting it. Look for a leather skirt, look for an old leather jacket, or maybe even a leather purse. The first thing you're going to do is cut out your paper pattern, and next we're going to place it on the leather and cut it out of the leather. It's cut one for this piece and cut one for this piece. First, I'm going to cut out the one that just looks like a rectangle. I'm going to be using my rotary cutter, so that way I get a nice clean edge on the leather. Now that I have that piece cut out, I'm going to take the other rectangle that has a little U shape cut out of it and cut this one out. And now we have that one cut out. Now we have our two pieces. Also, keep in mind that leather comes in all different thicknesses, and since we're going to be sewing this on a sewing machine, make sure you try to keep it on the thinner side. You don't want to use any of that belt leather that's like super thick. It probably won't go through your sewing machine. You're also going to want to consider putting on a top stitching needle or a leather needle or maybe even a denim needle, because you're going to want a nice strong needle to go through this leather. Now let's head over to the sewing machine and sew this up. Okay, so we're ready to sew this up, and what we're going to do is place wrong sides together, lining all your edges up. We're going to start at the top by back stitching, go all the way down to the corner. Make sure you're leaving your needle in when you turn. We're going to make it over to the other corner, leave our needle in and turn, and come all the way up to the top and do two little back stitches. I've got my leather needle on, I've got my walking foot engaged, and I've got my top stitching thread, and we're ready to go. Make sure you're doing a few back stitches at the top. When you get to the end, make sure you back stitch. Just two little back stitches and we're good. You can cut. I love how cute this is, and it was so easy to make. That is one of the best parts about this project. So easy and so professional looking. This little leather card holder is also great for gifting gift cards. So if you're wondering how to package your gift cards this season, try making a little leather card holder for them. Thanks so much for watching So Anastasia today. I hope you enjoyed making a leather card holder. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, give it some applause, and leave a comment down below because I would love to know what you think of the video or what kind of fabric or leather you are going to make your card holder out of. And don't forget, this video is a part of the 12 Days of Christmas, so make sure you check out all the other videos December 1st through December 12th. And don't forget, I'm giving away a Husqvarna Viking Jade 20 this holiday, and you can enter December 5th through 15th. Make sure you check out the description down below for all the details. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and Facebook and TikTok and all those fabulous social media websites so that way we can stay connected and creative together. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!